Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use scanner class to get input from the user. This class is present in java.util package. So to start, first create its object and pass system.in as a parameter. System.in is a standard input source for getting input from console or terminal. The print statement to get text from the user, system.out.println, enter the text. Now to store the data, we will use a string type of variable, string text, and user input dot next line. This method is used to get string from the user. And system.out.println just to display the text entered by the user. Input plus text. Now let's run the program. Enter the text. Yeah, and we got the output. So in case if you want to pass int value, so just change the variable to int type and use next in method instead of next line method. Next in method is used to get input from the user for the integer value. So now rerun the program. Pass any integer value and output is 4. Now if you want to use float value, use float type of variable and use next float method instead of next int method. Also there are various methods present. It depends on the input like next boolean, next long. You can use them according to the input. Thank you for watching.